So hey guys, this is Music here back with a small video. Just gonna tell you what I did. Um, you know how they have the design. This guy, at Twitter, Matt Cap at Matt Cap, he did the design to basically hide the camera for the Galaxy S10 Plus and 10. So you know how the blank space is left out. I literally find a way to edit it and then put some picture inside of that. So that's how it turns out. Looks so cool. So look at my wallpaper right now. So if you guys want me to show you how to do it, please like this video, thumbs up, subscribe and comment. I'm gonna do it after 50 likes and 50 comments. So please like and subscribe, and I'll show you guys how I did this, how I turned this into an amazing wallpaper, how I put the thing into use. Thank you.